I have a six-figure product right here in my hand, and I'm gonna unbox it right now to show you the exact product. Now, not only am I gonna show you the exact product, but I'm gonna show you how we found it. I'm gonna show you when we did find it, how we knew that this was gonna be a good product to go out there and start advertising, right? Because one of the big things that people have when they're starting their e-com business is that they're not sure which products to advertise. There are so many different products to choose from that sometimes you get paralyzed and you don't know which one to pick. So I'm going to show you exactly how we identified this one, exactly how we knew that it was a good product to put in our Facebook Ads Manager and start testing. And not only that, but I'm also gonna show you the Facebook ads and exactly the campaigns that we ran to take this product to over 6 figures in 1 month. I haven't been uploading videos in the past while because me and my team and I have been working on some incredible things for you guys, okay? We're creating software that does not exist, okay? It's actually amazing because there are no competitors in what we're doing because it is so hard to create, and it's gonna bring you guys so much value when it comes to e-commerce, okay? I'm super pumped to launch this, to show you guys, to allow you guys to come into this system and start really bringing tons of sales to your e-commerce store, but I'm not gonna talk much about it yet, okay? I only wanted you to have some context as to why I've been gone for a little bit. On the screen, I'm gonna put the winners to, I guess not last week because I haven't posted in a while, but I'm gonna post the winners to the last giveaway that we did. I'm back to posting 4 to 5 times every single week, and all you have to do to qualify for free software and over $1,000 worth of training programs and all of that stuff is like this video, put a comment down below, and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, okay? So let's get right into it. So let's go ahead, let me put this to charge here real quick. Let's go ahead and unbox this product. This is actually a return, okay? So let's see what's in here. As you guys could tell, the packaging is not amazing, but it comes in like a little thing, so that's cool. So let's see what's in here. You guys already probably know by what this is. So we have this little pair of something in this see-through kind of packaging here. And so here is one of our 6-figure products, okay? Check this out. So it's a pair of glasses, but it's not a pair of glasses like any glasses that you could find out there, right? Like you can't go out to the store and buy something like this. And this is one of the reasons why this product was so good. And the reason why is because it's very hard for someone to put a price on a product like this because people don't really know off the top of their head how much glasses are. And more specifically, these type of glasses, which I'm gonna explain now in a second, it's not something that you could just go to Walmart or go to Kmart or Ross or like Walgreens or any random store around your house and buy, right? So no one, right? The people that are getting these advertisements, they can't be like, oh, you're selling it for this much? Like price is not gonna be an issue because it's not like they could be, oh, you're selling it for this much, well, I could just go over there and get it for so much cheaper, right? And when you have a product like that is not found in stores, then that could be one of the reasons, that was actually one of the reasons why we decided to put this product on the store and test it. That's just one of them. It's a couple of them that when you put them together, kind of give this product more value than any other out there, and that's the reason why we tested it. So this product is actually, it's actually called adjustable glasses, okay? So you put them on, I'm not gonna put them on because that was kind of painful. You put them on and then you turn these little things right here on the side, which changes the focus, right? Which changes the focus. So obviously the people who were buying this product the most were older people, right? People who need glasses that require focusing. But we're gonna talk about the targeting. I'm gonna show you the advertisements and all that type of thing and all those different things. But now let's talk about how we found this product and what were some of the other reasons why we thought that it was a good idea to put it up on the store. This product is very, very good, like good quality. So where we found this product, it's actually quite funny. I have another video on my channel. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here or put it in the description or whatever. It's probably gonna be in one of the corners actually, so you can watch it later on. And it's exactly how to go out there and find products like these. And how we found this product was going through Facebook and Instagram, okay? The bottom line is that what you wanna do is you wanna become the target customer of drop shipping e-commerce stores, okay? And how you do that is by going on your phone. It's exactly in the other video. I'm not gonna go over the strategy. I'm gonna go over it very briefly, but the bottom line is that you wanna go to advertisements and you wanna comment on them, you wanna save them, you wanna like them, you wanna engage with all these different ads. And as you start doing that, then Facebook says, hey, this person likes to engage with these type of posts. I'm gonna start showing them more, okay? And that is one of the best ways to go out there and find products because you're getting advertisements first, right? Facebook is showing you advertisements first of products that are just being released, that have just came out, and that are hot, okay? So we got an advertisement, my team and I got an advertisement for this product, and I basically sent it over to the guy in charge of running all the ads and managing all of my different stores. And very quickly, we noticed that it was gonna do good, or that at least we thought it was gonna do good because it was a newer product, okay? It wasn't a product with a ton of orders, and we actually had a pretty good advertisement to go along with it, which I'm gonna go ahead and show you here in a little bit. So basically, we found the product from an advertisement. It didn't have a lot of engagement. It didn't have a lot of likes. It didn't have a lot of views, right? Because it was a video, and because of that, we knew that the person that was advertising it was not that good, right? They weren't really sure what they were doing. And since we know exactly what we need to do to take a product and take it to that next level, we decided to put it up, and we generated over 6 figures with the actual product. And so that's some insights for you guys as to how do you find a product like this, right? Because there are so many different ways to find it, and that's just one of them, right? But it's probably a way that you had never heard of before. And then once you do find a product, because there are so many, what are the different data points that you're trying to accumulate, right, to decide whether this is going to be something that you're going to put up or not? So for us, it was, this is a new product. It looks super cool. People cannot price shop this. You can't price shop it. You can't compare it to anything similar to this because it's not at your local store in any way, right? And so that's why this product was able to do so good. And not only for that, right? Because what we've seen a lot of times happen over and over again is that people have a 6-figure product in their hands, right? They have a 6-figure product in their store, but they're not able to generate 6 figures from it, right? And the bottom line is that that happens every single day. You're watching this right now, and you're probably running a couple of ads to your Shopify store. One of those products is probably a 6-figure product. You're just not advertising properly, right? That's why the software that we're working on building is gonna help you guys advertise, because if you could improve your advertising exponentially, then you're gonna make a ton more money, right? Because how I look at it is that it's 20% of the fraction in e-commerce success is picking the right products, right? The other 80% is knowing how to advertise properly, right? So you could see how important it is to be a good advertiser, to know how to run the right Facebook ads, to know what to say, and more importantly than all of that, to know how to scale, right? How do you scale a product that is making $50, $100, $150 a day to $10,000 a day, right? To $5,000 a day. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna jump into my computer now, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly the ad that we ran and what were the campaigns that we set up to take this product to over 6 figures. All right, so we're inside of my computer, and the first thing that I want to show you is the actual advertisement for this product. So this is the advertisement right here. That is the copy at the top, right? That is the text. And at the bottom, we have an actual video. So obviously it looks like an image because that's an image of the video, but that is a video at the bottom. The top area where it says I need to get this, that is standard, that does not move. And under it is a video of the product in use, okay? So let's focus a little bit on what the actual advertisement is saying. I feel like a lot of people struggle in figuring out what to say in their advertisements, and it's actually quite simple to come up with some sort of template that you could start using for every single one of your ads, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to mention the product, right? You want to mention what the product is, all right? And you don't want to use any weird terms that people are more than likely not going to understand. So if the title of the product or if the name of the product is something that everyone's going to understand and that describes it well, then you're going to go ahead and use that, all right? Now, the second and most important thing in this actual copy right here is using emojis, okay? I see so many people creating ad copy for their ads without using emojis, and you're literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table by not using them because they're because they will increase your conversions, okay? So the first line reads, these glasses with adjustable focus, okay? Just in that single line, we're telling people everything about the product, okay? They're glasses, and hey, they have adjustable focus. Another thing that's super important is that you see that every single line here is one line, okay? There is no sentence that is multi-line. That is on purpose, and you want to make sure that it is like that, okay? You don't want to go multi-line because then it doesn't look good on mobile, all right? And this preview that you're seeing right here is on desktop, but you're gonna wanna optimize the actual description for mobile. So make sure that you're looking at the preview in mobile when you're creating your description, okay? So it says these glasses with adjustable focus, all right? The next thing that we wanna do is we wanna think about what are some questions that people are gonna have about adjustable glasses, okay? Well, one of the biggest things is this for short-sighted people or for far-sighted people, okay? And so we address that in the second line. We put short-sighted, check mark, far-sighted, check mark, right? And what you want to do here, something that is very strategic and is going to improve the readability of your actual advertisement, is alternating on the length of the rows, okay? So what that means is that the line that says these adjustable glasses with or these glasses with adjustable focus, you see how this is a longer line right here, and then short-sighted, far-sighted, this is a shorter line, and then get yours here. So here you're gonna put your store URL, and you're gonna want to make sure that you don't write the HTTPS and you don't write the www, okay? You don't need that for it to be clickable. You could just go right into the domain, and you want to make sure that you use a redirect URL, okay? But you could tell that this line right here is longer than the top one. Now the bottom one is going to be shorter, so 50% off plus free shipping, and then the last one is going to be longer. Do you know anyone who needs these, right? Because not long ago, Facebook said that we need to stop requesting that people tag someone, okay? So this is kind of like a sneaky way of asking people to tag someone, right? We're telling them, do you know anyone who needs this? But we're not literally saying tag someone who needs this or tag someone that might love this or whatever, because they don't really like that, okay? But you could see here how this is a long line, short line, longer line, shorter line, longer line, okay? And these are all really simple things, but all of these things add up to creating an effective advertisement, okay? So make sure you rewatch that part where I went over this actual copy here, and that you take notes on exactly what makes a good advertisement, okay? Now let's talk a little bit about the campaigns that were ran to get this product to 6 figures, okay? But before a product gets to 6 figures, obviously the product needs to be tested, right? You need to test the product, you need to see if it's getting sales, and what are the best audiences that are gonna respond to it, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna go over. So there were 2 different campaigns that we started for this actual product. So we started a website conversions campaign, and then we also started a PPE campaign, okay? And the PPE campaign, we're actually gonna always start for every single product. We're gonna start a PPE campaign. Now the PPE campaign is also gonna have an ad set, okay? And then the ad set is gonna have an actual ad, right? It's gonna have an actual ad. Now regarding the website conversions advertisement, what you're going to do is that you're going to create different ad sets, okay? You're going to create different ad sets for different interests, okay? So imagine that each of these are different ad sets. You're going to create an ad set per interest, okay? And the reason why you want to do this is because you want to know exactly which interest is working the best. And then the real key here is that every single interest or every single ad set, right? Because these right here are different ad sets. Every single ad set is going to be pointing to the same exact advertisement, okay? So let's go over that again very briefly. So we have the PPE advertisement, then we have the ad set. This ad set right here is going to be targeting worldwide, and it's going to be targeting really big interests, right? Really big interests around the product. So maybe the interest is like glasses, and then you're going to create the advertisement for that. And what's going to happen after you create the advertisement, okay, is that you're going to get a post ID, right? You're going to get a post ID for the actual advertisement. And if you guys want to learn how to do this kind of behind the scenes in the actual ads manager, post a comment down below and I'll make a video on that later on, okay? So you're going to get a post ID here. And the real key, I just want you to understand this from kind of like a top level. Then you're going to create the website conversions campaign, optimizing for purchase, right? Optimizing for sales. We're going to go into telling Facebook exactly what we want from them, which are sales, right? We want purchases. Then we're going to create different ad sets, right? With one interest in each of them. And the real key here, and this is where most people fail, is that every single ad set is going to be pointing to the same exact ad, okay? And this is key because what's happening here is that your advertisement is building social proof, okay? Your advertisement is building social proof with this PPE campaign, right? While you have it running on website conversions campaigns as well, right? Website conversion campaigns as well. Now, the PPE ad set, you're going to start this one at around $4 a day. $4 to $10 a day, and every single ad set, you're gonna decide what to start it at depending on the cost of the product. Okay, so I want you guys to rewatch this a couple times to really understand kind of the idea around testing these products. You're gonna want different interests per ad set for the website conversions campaign. You're gonna want the PPE for social proof, but you always want to make sure a really important part there is that you're always pointing to the same exact advertisement. So guys, if you enjoyed videos like this, put a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part. What are you guys doing right now? And what can I help you the most with? Okay, like I said before, we're working on a software that is going to completely change the game, okay, when it comes to advertising, which is the most important part about your Shopify business. All right, I'll keep you guys posted on that. We're almost ready to release it to you guys, so I'll make sure to keep you updated. This is Joaquin Corrales, and I'll see you on the next video.